Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT too many requests issue on your computer. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you are receiving too many request error message whenever you are trying to use your ChatGPT service, then here are some fixes you could try out. If you see the error, it means that you've already reached the maximum number of requests that can be sent in 1 hour with ChatGPT. So in that case, the first thing to do is to refresh the page where you have opened up ChatGPT. Once you give it a quick refresh, you might be able to fix the issue. Another thing you can do is to wait for an hour. Once you've made too many requests on ChatGPT, then you will need to wait for at least an hour before you can begin using the service. So try waiting for an hour, and once the problem has been solved, you can get back to ChatGPT service again. If the problem still doesn't go away, then the next thing to do is to try using a VPN. Simply go ahead and connect to any VPN that is available to you right now and try refreshing your ChatGPT webpage again. Doing so might help you get out of the situation. If the problem still persists, then you can try using a different OpenAI account. Simply go ahead and open up your second OpenAI account if available. If not, then the next thing to do is to clear your browser's cache. Click the three dots at the top right of your web browser and click on Settings in the pop-up. From your Settings menu, click on the Privacy, Search and Services option. Scroll a bit down and under Clear Browsing Data, click on Choose What to Clear. Now, select your time range from the drop-down and make sure to check these two boxes that says Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Remember that clearing out your cookies and other site data might sign you out of most of the sites that you are already logged in with on this web browser. So if you know your credentials, you can continue clearing your browsing data by clicking on Clear Now. Soon after you clear your data, you can go back to the ChatGPT page and try refreshing the page one more time. And doing so might help you get out of the situation. Those were some of the easiest and the most common fixes you could try out whenever you're going through ChatGPT too many requests error. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.